So, hello everyone, I am Rainiel Atbrez and today I'm going to tackle about my reflection about the documentary School Ko number 1. Human development that is evident in the documentary is on the middle and late childhood stage for Michelle, Abigail, Mildred, and Robin, while on teacher Leia and the principal Virginia Cortina is on the stage of the early adulthood. In terms of the psychosexual development, Michelle, Abigail, and Mildred is on the latency stage. It is manifested by the documentary since these three girls relate more with the same gender, and Abigail and Mildred, who are best friends, have this unbreakable bond that whenever Abigail ranks top 1 and Mildred is on top 2, that will not be a reason for them to argue and part ways. This means that the three girls focus on their academic skills. The personality of the characters in the documentary is different from each other. I can say that Michelle has this aid that she wants and need to go to the school in order for her to satisfy the desire to learn and graduate, while Abigail has this ego because I think she decides maturely, like on the scenario of choosing what storybook to read for the younger students. Lastly, Mildred possesses a superego personality because of her willingness to take good care of the younger children in their barrio, which is considered just and right by the society. Psychoanalytic theory is also showed in the documentary. I can say that the younger children tutored by Mildred has the symbolic function ability or the pre-operational stage, since they can say that a certain thing is considered that thing because it is represented by a symbol. It was also shown in the video that they already learned that A is A because it is represented by the capital letter A. On Abigail and Mildred's character, I can say that they had the centering ability on the concrete operational stage because they know entirely the situation in their barrio that education is highly important and they share their knowledge to the younger students. The psychosocial development also applies in this documentary. For Abigail, Mildred, Robin, and Michelle, they have the virtue of determination on the second stage, since they already know that their financial situation is not well, but they still believe that someday they can escape the poverty they face and they will be able to graduate and have a decent job. For teacher Leia and the principal Virginia, they possess the trait of generativity on the seventh stage. Since they tend to teach the students wholeheartedly, they want the future generation of students at Sindangan Elementary School to be good and for the children to show it to the next generation. The teachers, principals, parents exhibit the virtue of care and love on the 6th and the 7th stage because to the students, since they fully support and show their dedication without a doubt on their minds.